The Industrial Revolution not just inflated the supply of consumer goods, but it also gave rise to mass marketing as a way to escalate consumer demand. We all know that brands have been essentially built through mass media, whether it was magazine, radio, TV advertising, and now digital in a big, big way. With the world embracing this new digital order, it is driving the economy towards person to person communities. This in itself is appearing to be a new version of digital consumerism, where a dynamic shift in both technology and culture are playing out evidently. Brands, in this sense, are strategizing their communication around the bell of the ball, which is the digital currencies today, where crypto and non fungible tokens or NFTs have become the formula to win in the post-modern creator economy game. NFTs are nothing but digital assets like photography, video, music, multimedia, virtual reality, so on and so forth, that can only have one official owner at a time. Brands such as Taco Bell, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Nike are already a part of this bandwagon, having NFTs as part of their communication to target the new age audiences. Offering a plethora of advantages, NFT technology offers a new kind of an experience that elevates awareness and affinity, provides personalized solutions, monetizes ads multiple times, collects data, and much more. Well, to delve deeper into this, the example of Rage Coffee is a perfect case study on how it initiated conversations around its very own cryptocurrency, which is the Rage coin, through an attempt to drive chatter around the brand. It had three broad objectives in mind, one being a force to challenge the current cryptocurrencies and create a buzz. Second, with new brands coming in, it was crucial for them to re-strategize and build the brand recall value while associating well with the new audiences. Third, was to create a new fresh brand persona in the minds of existing and new consumers. For its execution path, the brand planned its hashtag RageCoin by Rage Coffee campaign in four distinct stages. One was the pre-buzz, where the content built anticipation in audiences about the launch of the RageCoin. Second was the build-up, where a few tweets were sent out to various cryptocurrency investors and challenged them to make the coin dip. Third was the reveal phase, wherein the company released the AR filter and various guidelines for the giveaway. Last was the winner announcement phase, where the campaign concluded with the announcement of the top 3 Rage Coffee goodie winners. The results of the AR game filter was startling, wherein the unique reach was more than 397,000 and the participation was also more than 4,700. With this, we understand that as NFTs continue to garner mainstream attention, it is a great opportunity for them to generate additional revenues and engage with the core fan base with new business models being tested.